Do you want to keep your contacts safe and secure? In this video, you'll learn how to easily back up your iPhone contacts in just a few quick and easy steps. So, make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone and then tap on your name at the very top to access Apple ID. After that, tap where it says iCloud. And now you'll see a section called Apps using iCloud. Simply tap Show All to see a list of apps that are using and syncing with iCloud. So now, what you want to do next is just switch on the toggle right next to Contacts. And it will sync and back up your contacts with iCloud each time your device makes a backup. If you don't want to wait for that to happen, you can go back and tap where it says iCloud Backup. First, turn it on if you have it disabled. And just tap where it says Backup Now. And it will instantly create a backup and save everything to your iCloud. So, that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.